Welcome to Module 2. In this module, we will explore how materials can make or break EMI success. In Module 1, we focus on the foundations of EMI. Now, we take the next step, making those principles visible through the materials we use in class, because in EMI, materials are not just support tools, they shape how students access content and engage with ideas. In EMI, materials are never neutral. Every slide, handout, or task either helps understand or adds extra cognitive pressure. Students process disciplinary concepts, work in a second language, and interact at the same time, which significantly increases cognitive demands during learning. If materials are dense or unclear, students spend energy decoding language instead of learning ideas. Thoughtful design frees cognitive space for understanding. Scaffolding through materials. Scaffolding does not mean simplifying academic content. It means supporting access to that content while preserving disciplinary depth and expectations. How? Through clear headings, logical sequencing, recycling clear terminology, and visuals that support meaning. Well-scaffolded materials reduce uncertainty and help students focus on learning. Adapting academic materials. Adapting does not lower academic rigor. What changes is how information is presented, not what is taught. Effective adaptation preserves disciplinary depth and expectations. The goal is accessibility, not simplification. One key element is the syllabus. In EMI, the syllabus is not just administrative. It is a learning tool that communicates structure and expectations in a second language. Backward design. A useful approach is backward design. Start from the end. What should the students be able to do by the end of the course? Then align assessment, activities, and materials to support those outcomes. In EMI, this makes the logic of the course visible, reduces uncertainty, and supports autonomy, particularly for those navigating complex content in a second language without lowering rigor. Technology and AI. Technology and AI can help when used strategically. They can check clarity, generate alternative explanations, and create multiple representations of content. But remember, technology should support pedagogy, not replace academic judgment. In EMI, materials do much of the teaching work. Thoughtful design transforms engagement and understanding. As you prepare for the next session, ask yourself, where might my students struggle with language in my materials? Do my slides and handouts guide learning or add extra cognitive load? How could I adapt my syllabus so it becomes a real learning tool? Reflect on those questions and bring one example of your course materials to the next session. See you soon!